next thing that I want to add to my script, which I already have here, which we already started, okay, is grabbing that component which will help us to find the next one, so which is the analysis geometry. So incident radiation, which we already covered, and it requires sky matrix, cumulative sky matrix, as you remember. So that sky matrix is going to ask for a couple of other components. So the first one is the north, but we have to put the location and the other stuff with our import EPV file. Okay, when we put our EPV file, it's going to put the radiation, direct normal radiation, diffuse radiation, OIS, and stuff like that. So we can connect this over here. And the very third thing that it's going to ask us is the north direction. So for the north direction, what we are going to put is a value, right? So I can come over in here and say get number. So right click prompt. So we can say is specify north vector. And we can say y-axis equals 0, right? Because its y-axis is the 0, and then we can save it as this one, and then we can put this here. So let's again, like, we're gonna go step by step for every single step for this. So let's save this, close this, and set Grasshopper player, or start Grasshopper player. Again, open EPV map. You can say yes, no, up to you. Copy this one, come over here, paste that information, and after you paste that information, it's going to ask us the north vector. So we can say 0 to this, and then no output here again. So we can say that we can put it here. So it will ask the north, right? It will ask for, like, we can specify one single north value. And the next thing, it's going to be a bit different, because now we want to put the sorry, not this one, that was the legacy version, analysis period. So analysis period is going to be our OIS, right? So we can say start month. So for all this, we can use get number. So we can say get number or get integer for this, because integer is the value that you cannot change, or you can not have decimals. So we can prompt it to, like, start month of the analysis. Okay, copy this and paste it, and prompt end month. We can put it this way. We can say, oh, by the way, we can prompt this to, like, 1 to 12, we can say, right? And we can do the same to this as well, 1 to 12, just giving sort of an information to the user. And we can say, we can copy this and prompt start day. It's gonna be 1 to 31. Copy this and paste as our end day. Prompt this as end day. And copy this, right click, prompt it, start hour, 0 to 23. And paste it to end hour here. This one, and this one, and change the prompt to end hour. Okay, and let's now run this analysis to see, save this, close it, or not close it, maybe, if we can do that too. So open EPV map, we don't need that. paste the information here. We pasted it. So in the meantime, I'm not sure if we can see the PV file here as well. We don't see it. So let's say we are going to have the north location as 0 again. And then it is going to ask us the start day, hopefully. Start month is going to be like 1. And start day is going to be 1. Start hour is going to be like, let's say 6. And the end month, let's say 12. And end day 31st. And 10 p.m. as our end hour. And then when we put this all in, we don't see anything because there's no contextual output or no output information is provided. So that is, that's pretty much what we have done. That's pretty much what we have done for this video. In the next one, maybe I can show you these components. In the next one, I'll show you how we can create how we can start inputting the geometries to this equation. I'll see you in the next one.